Hi guys, it's Brookelynne and welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be another clean with me, and this time it's going to be my Monday reset routine. Basically a speed clean, what I do every Monday just to kind of get my house in order, or try to do every Monday. Sometimes you don't do it, which is bad, but I'm making more of an effort to do this routine because it makes me feel a whole lot better. So what I'm doing is I'm just using my Star Drops cleaner with my wee scorer sponge just to wipe down any surfaces to make sure they're nice and clean and to get rid of any like dirt and stuff, you know what I mean. And then I'm just kind of going over, I do actually rinse the sponge out after each use just to make sure everything's nice and clean, and I wipe down all the different pictures and surfaces to get rid of any dust, and yeah, just general cleaning the house, cleaning the surfaces. Already I've started out in the living room, like the living area pretty much, and just doing that to start with because that's the area that's been used the most as well as the kitchen, so I'm focusing on these areas today.
Don't hold me hostage, with this back and forth. Love me or leave me, but don't hold me hostage, with this back and forth, this back and forth, this back and forth. I'm gonna have to let you go. If you don't wanna let me know, tired of feeling so low, just say yes or say no. Something needs to change. I'm done wondering, I want clarity. No more wicked ways. Love me or leave me, yeah. Love me or leave me, but don't hold me hostage, with this back and forth. Love me or leave me, but don't hold me hostage, with this back and forth, this back and forth. Just say yes or say no. Love me or leave me, but don't hold me hostage, with this back and forth. Love me or leave me, but don't hold me hostage, with this back and forth, this back and forth.
I'm taking the cushions off the sofa and putting them in their place, also neatening up the cushions, like the decorative ones, to make sure they're nice and neat before I change the throws on the sofa. I like to do this every week just to make sure the sofa's nice, and because the throws get dirty with just general dirt, and I like to kind of put them in the wash to get them a wee wash and then put new ones on so it's fresh and clean for the week. So I'm basically, as you can tell, I'm just basically putting the cushions in a nice neat order so I know where I go after once I've finished changing the throws. So basically sitting on them to kind of flatten them a bit as well, because sometimes I find the cushions do get a bit skew whipped and misshapen, so flattening them out by sitting on them is a good tip. I'm also just using my Henry Hoover. I've had this for years. It was actually my grandma's Hoover, so it's a really good one. I recommend getting a Henry Hoover, the best. I'm basically hoovering that floor surface and also surface on the Hoover because I find crumbs and whatnot, and because they have two Frenchies, I find they dirty up the place. And also I'm taking the under cushions off and hoovering up underneath. You will be surprised how much dirt gets in that area. And I'm also just doing it individually, taking each cushion, setting them out where they kind of go, so I just don't mix them up, and just hoovering over that area before I put the Faux on, the new ones, and all the cushions that I've set out in order, so they're nice and neat and tidy.
Hear me, gon' dance it off goodbye. My love, can we drop this? Our time can't pass us by. This bond makes stronger just to be together. I'm getting better, you getting better, we getting better this time. I'm getting better, you getting better, we getting better this time. I'm getting better, you getting better, we getting better this time.
Horton says hi in this video, you can see him there. So what I'm doing is I'm putting him out the back of the toilet, and then I'm just going to finish off hoovering the whole kitchen, no, the whole living room, sorry. I'm putting the kitchen later on, the whole living room, moving things out of the way so I can get every last crumb hoovered up as much as I can. Hoover every other day to make sure any crumbs and dirt and whatnot is hoovered off the floor, so it kind of saves me work when I do the weekly cleaning routine. And don't worry, Connor does his fair share as well. It's not all me doing it. But yeah, I'm just working away, getting every kind of area covered. And yeah, I'm just going to move on to the hall and the kitchen in a minute, and you'll see. I'm also getting some of the stairs done too while I'm there, just so it saves me having to do them later on.
Be better together. You can say what you want. I already know it's destiny. Maybe you should stop resisting it. I understand it can be scary, but you'll be safe in my arms, baby. Just take a leap of faith. Come on, just take my hand. 'Cause our vibe is irreplaceable. You don't see this kind of love no more. It's special, one of a kind, yeah. I know, together.
Once the hoovering's done taking, well, it was taking my flash map, but I don't have any liquid for it, so I'm taking my older like spray map. It isn't as good as a flash map, but it does for cases like this when I don't have like the liquid for the flash map, so it's a reminder set for me to get more flash liquid. But I'm just basically spraying and mopping the floor. Because I have wooden floors, I don't like to use a traditional mop, but I prefer using a spray mop. It's just much kinder on the wooden floors, and it does the job as well. But obviously the flash one I would recommend over that one. So yeah, I'm just kind of going through the whole downstairs area of the house, that's where I have that wooden floor, and I like to kind of keep it nice and clean. In the kitchen, I'm just kind of taking any stuff that's off the surfaces, and I'm going to use my kitchen cleaner. What's it by? I don't know what the brand is, you'll see anyway. But I'm just spraying down the surfaces using that same sponge which has been rinsed out, and basically just wiping down each surface and drying it with a cloth just to make sure it's nice and sparkly, because I like to have a sparkly, clean kitchen, and it just makes you feel a whole lot better. And also it's much more hygienic for making your dinners and all, and preparing food.
It's time. So let the past go, turn the page, let me in. If you
I'm also doing any dishes that are left out on the side and also in the sink, just to kind of clear up that area. And I'm also just spraying that area of star drops, the sink area, because I find the star drops really brings that whole metal sink nice and shiny, and it's just lovely. I love the feeling and the look of a clean sink. It's just lovely, and yeah, that's what I'm doing, just working away there.
You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges.
And that is the whole downstairs done for the day. I'm glad I got all this done, and I'm happy with how clean and nice and neat and tidy it looks. Horton has already got out his toys. Literally, as soon as I open up that living room for him to play in, he picks a toy and throws it around the floor again. And yeah, just looks a whole lot better. Now excuse the bag on the hall, buttons, and the kitchen just looks a lot nice and clean. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you again for the next one. Stay gorgeous, God bless, bye.